The process of chains fabrication starts from a wire rod that is narrowed and hardened to strengthen it. At industry level, chain are produced on automatic spinning rollers feeding a straight steel bar. It then goes through a forming machine to shape the wire into its recognizable shape. Here a DIY chain making die fabrication is shown from a simple I-beam, studs and handles. This is a DIY forming machine having two jaws bending steel wire around a steel pin making a segment of a linked chain.